y by dx square, right? D square y by dx square is equal plus y is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. This actually what we started to get the answer. This is June 2018 question paper problem, and so many times it is repeated. Okay. So we have to find what we have to find. We have to find the general solution for this differential equation. Since it is not, we cannot discuss this problem under type 1, type 2, type 3 because the RHS is not in the standard form of type 1, type 2 and type 3. Okay, for that we have to see it is not a Cauchy's and it is not Legendre's also because it is coefficients of the derivatives are constant. So we can check it is under the calculus of method of variation of parameters. Okay, solution. This can be written as, so d square y by dx square can be written as what? D square y plus y is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x, right? Okay, next take y common. So d square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x. Okay, next it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x. F of d into y is equal to phi of x, then the general solution will be, since it is a non-homogeneous differential equation, the general solution will be y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay, you call this as equation number 1. Next, to find yc, what we have to consider? To find yc, what we have to consider?
Auxiliary
Auxiliary
equation of
equation.
Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So since m square plus 1 is equal to 0, m square is equal to minus 1. What is m?
plus or
Plus or
minus
minus
Plus or
1.
minus
The
1.
roots are complex roots. Okay, the roots are complex roots. Then we can write yc. So how to write yc if the roots are complex roots?
e to the power
E power 0x into
e power 0x c1 cos
into
x
c1 cos x plus c2 sin x.
C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Okay. So this is our yc. So next we have to find yp. 2 is equal to e power 0x is nothing but 1. So C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. So here what we have to do, we have to, since the method is method of variation of parameters, we have to vary the parameter here C1. Okay. C1 is replaced by what?
a
A cos x plus C2 is replaced by
b
B, right? B sin x. Now we are varying the parameters C1, C2 as A and B. Now YC is reduced to what? YC is reduced to Y, correct? YC is reduced to Y. Then this will be our general solution. So our aim is to, I will call this as equation number 1. Our aim is to find the value of A and B, right? We have to find A and B. For that, so now we have to compare this with the general form. Y is equal to A into y1 plus B into y2. This is a general form of the solution of the differential equation. Okay. If we have two solutions, say y1 and y2. So then comparing these two, what is y1? What is
cos
y1?
x
Cos x. And what is y2?
sin x
Sin x. Okay, after finding y1 and y2, so find out y1 dash. Differentiation of cos x is what?
minus sin x
minus
Minus
sin
sin
x.
x. Next find out y2 dash. What's the differentiation of sin x?
Cos
cos
x.
Cos
x
x.
After finding this, we have to construct w. What's the formula to find w? y1 into
y
y1
minus
y2 to the
y1 dash.
y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash
yes. What is y1?
cos x
Cos x into y2 dash is cos x minus y2 is sin x. So into y2 dash is minus sin x. So we obtain cos x into cos x is cos square x, minus into minus plus sin x into sin
Sin
x is
square
sin
x.
square x. What is sin square x plus cos square x?
1.
1.
So we got W as 1. So this is the steps we have to follow. Okay. These are steps we have to follow. First we find YC. In YC, replace YC by Y and replace C1 by A and C2 by B. Okay, next. After finding W, we have to write the formula to find A dash. What is A dash formula? Minus Y2 into phi of x by
Minus Y2 phi of x by W.
S. A dash is equal to minus. What is Y2? Y2 is sin x into phi of x. What is phi of x?
1 by 1 plus
1 by 1 plus sin x divided by W. W is 1. Lick it. Lick it.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we did here, we did factor partial that
ma'am,
Rationalize.
no ma'am, we had added and
Rationalization.
subtracted 1 ma'am.
Okay, we will try. We will try. If it is possible to rationalization, we will do that one. Otherwise, we will add and subtract. Okay. So multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x. We will check it. If it is possible, we will do this one only. 1 minus sin x. So then, so minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin square x we got. Okay, next. Divide by, so 1 minus sin square x. What is 1 minus sin square x?
Cos.
Cos square x.
Square.
So minus sin x plus sin square x divided by cos square x. Okay, now we have to split the numerator to get minus sin x by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. Cos square x. So now we can write cos square x as cos x into cos x. Sin by cos is tan minus tan x into 1 over cos is secant x. Correct? Huh? Is it
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. What is sin square x by cos square x?
Tan square.
Tan square x. What is the integration of tan x into
Tan square.
secant x? It on both sides. So we obtain integration of a dash is a minus integration of tan x into secant x into dx plus integration of tan square x into dx plus what? Plus what?
K1.
K1, integrating constant K1. Okay, as we know that integration of tan x into secant x is secant x. So here we have already minus, so minus secant x plus what is the integration of tan square x?
Secant
We should reduce it to secant square x minus 1 first.
So we don't have a standard integral for tan square x, right?
No, ma'am.
So for that we can write tan square x as in the standard form tan square x 1 plus tan square x equal to, as we know the identity that 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x, correct? Huh? So then I want tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1 into dx plus k1. Okay, as we know that integration of secant square x is what?
Tan x.
Tan x, and integration of 1 is
X.
x. So therefore we can write here a is equal to, I will write here. So a is equal to minus secant x plus integration of secant square x is tan x minus integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus the integrating constant k1. This is the value for a. Did you clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you add and subtract 1 in the numerator also, you will get the same answer. Is it right? We got the same answer in the last class also by adding and subtracting by 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, same you will get. We can simplify the step in many ways, but step should be correct. Then you will get the same answer. So then we have to write the formula for b dash to find b. What is the formula to find b dash? Is it right? Y1 into pi of x by w.
Yes, ma'am.
What is y1?
Cos x.
Cos x. Pi of x is 1 by 1 plus sin x by w. What is w?
1.
1. Okay, next. So cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. Shall I do rationalization here also? Shall I? Multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x. Okay, we will try. If it is not possible, means we can go for the another method. Okay, right. So multiply the numerator cos x minus sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x by divide by what?
And by keeping cos x like that only, in denominator cos square x.
Okay, yes we can. What is 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x? 1 square minus sin square x. What Likit is saying that, madam, you keep cos x as it is in the numerator instead of multiplying, because the denominator become cos square x, we can cancel 1 cos x and 1 cos x. Is it right, Likit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next time. So we got b dash as 1 minus sin x by cos x. Next one, we can split the numerator. How to split the numerator?
1 by cos x
minus sin x by cos x.
1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x. What is 1 by cos x?
secant x.
Secant x.
Secant x.
Minus, what is sin by cos?
Tan x.
Tan x.
Do we have a standard integral for secant x?
Log secant x plus tan
Log of,
x.
log of secant x plus tan x. What is the integration of tan x?
Log secant x.
Log of,
Log of secant x.
log of secant x. Oh no,
Log
secant,
what?
secant. Okay.
Log of sin x.
Not log of sin x. It should be log of secant x or log of cos x. Both can. Both.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Log of secant x.
Log of secant x only, ma'am.
Log of cos x, it is not possible.
By keeping minus
Minus
behind.
outside.
Yes.
So minus outside. Correct. Huh? Minus log of cos x. Shall I write integration of tan x is minus log of cos x?
Yes.
Or you can, no problem. Okay. As we know the formula, that only we can use. Okay, it is now integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. Integration of b dash is b. Integration of secant x dx minus integration of tan x dx plus integrating constant k2. So now, what is the integration of secant x? Log of
Secant
what?
x plus
Secant x plus tan x. Okay, minus, this is log of secant x. Log of secant x plus k2. Or you can write integration of tan x is minus of log of cos x also. Because differentiation of minus log of cos x is what? What's the differentiation of this? Minus outside, differentiation of log of cos x is 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus into minus plus sin by cos tan x. You will get tan x, right? Is it right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, it is like log m minus log n. What is log m minus log n?
Log m by n.
Log m by
Log
n.
m by n. Just I am
Log m
simplifying this. Just I am simplifying by using the logarithmic property. Log m by log n plus k2. Now split the numerator inside the logarithm. Log of secant x by secant x plus tan x by secant x. What is tan x by secant x? What is tan x by secant x? If secant cancel, we got 1. So tan x can be written as sin by cos. Tan is sin by cos.
Yes.
Is it?
Sin
What
by
is 1
Sin
over,
x
1
by
over
cos
secant?
square x, ma'am. Sin x
No,
by
no.
cos
What is
square
1?
x, ma'am.
No. 1 over secant. What is 1 over
X,
secant?
1 by cos.
Secant is 1 by cos. The
Cos,
denominator of the denominator is multiplied by the numerator. Is it right?
sin x.
Yes, ma'am.
Is cos x and cos x cancel. So log of 1 plus sin x. Is it correct? So this is our b. So now we got the value for a and b. Now substitute a and b in equation 1. So equation 1 become the general solution y is equal to a into what we got a? What is our a? What
Minus
is our
secant
a?
x plus tan x
Minus secant x plus tan x plus k1
minus x
minus x
plus k1.
plus k1. It is minus plus k1 into cos x plus b into b is log of 1 plus sin x plus k2 into sin x. As I told you that first multiply the constant, then you write that terms as a first terms. K1 cos x plus K2 what? K2
Sin x.
multiply
K2 sin
here.
x.
K2 sin x. K2 sin x plus of remaining all this as it is with multiplication of cos x plus of minus secant x plus tan x minus x into cos x. So next, so already I took this one k1 into sin x. Next, the first term into sin x plus log of 1 plus sin x 1 plus sin x into sin x. Did you clear? Square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e power x into tan x. E power x into tan x by the method of variation of parameters. By the method of variation of parameters. Start doing by yourself. Solution. This problem can written as d square y minus 2 into dy plus 2y is equal to e power x into tan x. Correct? So take y common, d square minus 2d plus 2 into y is equal to e power x tan x. It is like f of d into f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Okay, so next, since we are doing the problem under method of variation of parameters, we should not consider y is equal to yc plus yp, just we have to find out yc, since this is also non-homogeneous differential equation. Okay, but the method is called method of variation of parameters. We should find only yc. For using yc, we can make it as a general solution. Okay, next to find yc, we have to consider the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation we have?
M square plus 2m plus m square minus 2m plus 2.
Yes, equal to 0. Is it possible to factorize?
No, ma'am, from formula.
No, ma'am.
We have to use the formula to find the roots. m is equal to minus b. Here minus b, b is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 you should write. Don't do the mistake here. Minus b plus or minus root of b square. B square means minus 2 whole square. B square minus 4 ac. Okay. Divide by 2a. 2a is 1. So that is m is equal to minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus root of 4. Minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 8 whole divided by 2. So that is 2 plus or minus root of minus 4 by 2. That is 2 plus or minus 2i. Is it 2i?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes,
Take
ma'am.
2 common. Take 2 common. We will get 1 plus or minus 1i. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What is the nature of the roots?
Complex.
Complex.
Complex roots. Complex roots. Now write down yc. How to write yc now? Yc is equal to e to the power of
X plus C1 cos x plus C2 sin x.
plus c2 sin x. Okay. Now first, before going to write c1 as a and c2 as b, first you multiply it by e power x. So we can write this as c1 into e power x cos x plus c2 into e power x sin x. Okay, now it is our yc. Now it is our yc. Now we can replace yc by y by changing c1 as a constant a. So a into e power x cos x plus b into e power x sin x. Okay. Now we have to compare this with the standard function
Ma'am,
as y
cos
is
2 sin 2x, ma'am.
2x. Where we will get 2x? B square minus 4ac. Okay?
Ma'am, plus or minus 2i, ma'am. 1 plus or minus.
2i ಬರುತ್ತಾ? How it is? So b
Cos
square,
x.
huh?
No, ma'am,
Okay.
correct only. Cos x plus sin x.
Is it right?
Yes.
I took 2 common. Right?
Yes.
Is it right? Okay, next.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to compare this with the general form of the solution. Y is equal to a into y1 plus b into y2. Okay, actually we will call this as equation 1. Our aim is to find the value of a and b. Okay, so now by comparing these two equation y1, what is y1? E power x into cos x. And what is y2? E power x into sin x. Okay. After this, we have to find out y1 dash. So since we are differentiating with respect to x, here we have two terms. So we should use
Product
the
rule.
Okay, first function into differentiation of second. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus second function into differentiation of first
E to
function.
the power x.
So that is y1 dash is equal to, we can keep e power x outside common. So write the positive term first, that is cos x minus sin x. So this is our y1 dash. Next come to y2 dash. Since here also we have two terms with x, so we have to use product rule. Okay, we have to use product rule. First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. Is it right? Take e power x common, cos x plus sin x. After this, what we should do?
Find
After
W.
this, find W.
Find W. What is the formula to find W? Y1 into Y2 dash minus Y2 into Y1 dash. Now substitute Y1. What is Y1? E power x into cos x is Y1 into Y2 dash. This is Y2 dash. E power x into cos x plus sin x. Substitute as what the value we have for y1, y2 and y1 dash, y2 dash, you substitute here. Minus y2. y2 we have as e power x sin x and y1 dash is e power x into what? Cos x minus sin x. You do one thing. So what is e power x into e power x? What is e power x? E power 2x. E power x whole square, that is e power 2x. Take e power 2x common. Take e power 2x common. Write down the remaining terms with multiplication. Multiply here. Cos x into cos x is cos square x. So next plus cos x into what? Cos x into multiply. Cos x into
Sin
sin
x.
x.
Sin
Now
x.
minus as it is sin x into cos x minus sin x into cos x. So next minus into minus into minus plus sin x into sin x. Sin x into sin x is what?
Sin square x.
Sin square x. See here cos x into sin x minus sin x into cos x. Can we cancel these two?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if you cancel these two, we left with cos square x plus sin square x. What is
One.
cos square x plus sin
One.
square x? 1. So, if W, what we got W as?
E power 2x.
E power 2x.
Okay. Is it clear, all of you? What the simple value for W? Is all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After finding W, what we should find?
A dash.
A
A
dash.
dash. What's the formula to find A dash?
Minus y to phi of x by w.
What is Y2? What is Y2 we have?
E
E
power
power
x
x
sin
sin
x.
x.
E
E
power
power
x
x.
into sin x. What is phi of x? What is phi of
Power
x?
x.
E power x tan x.
X. X.
E power x tan x. Divide by W. What is W?
E power
E to
2x.
the power of
E
x.
power 2x. E power 2x means E power x whole square. Correct? So here numerator also we have E power x into E power x. E power x into E power x is E power 2x. E power 2x and E power 2x cancelled. Right? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to simplify the terms to get the standard integral form. So we got sin x into tan x. Do you have a standard integral for this? Do you have a standard integral for no? So for that we need to simplify. How to simplify? So tan x can be written as
Sin
Sin x by
cos
cos
Sin
x.
Sin
x
x by
by
cos
cos.
x.
sin x by cos x. What is sin x into sin x?
Sin square
Sin
x.
square x.
Sin
cos
x by cos x. How to write sin square x in terms of cos x?
1 minus cos
1
square x.
minus cos square x.
1 minus cos square x by cos x. Now split the numerator. Now actually I am simplifying this to get the standard integral. Otherwise I cannot integrate it. So next, so a dash is equal to minus of split the numerator 1 by cos x minus cos square x by cos x. What is 1 over cos?
Secant.
Secant.
Secant. Minus of secant x minus 1 cos x, 1 cos x cancelled. Correct? What we left in the numerator?
Cos x.
Minus
Do you,
cos x.
do you have a standard integral for secant x?
Yes, ma'am.
Log of tan.
Log mod secant x. Log of
Log mod
secant x plus
secant x
tan
plus
x.
tan x.
Log of secant x plus tan x. Okay. What is the integration of cos x?
Sin x.
Sin.
Sin
So
x.
we have an integral for both. Now we convert it to the standard form. So now integrate. Before integration, first we simplify that. Okay. Integrate now. So a dash become a. So you can multiply minus integration of minus secant x dx. Next minus into minus plus integration of cos x dx. What is the integration of secant x? What you told? Minus
Log
log
of
of
secant x plus
Minus
tan x.
secant x plus tan x. plus, what is the integration of cos x?
Sin x.
Sin x.
Sin x. So plus what? What shall I write plus?
K1.
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 This will be our value for a. Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, we can go for B dash. What is B dash formula?
Y1
Phi of
of x by w.
What is y1?
e power x cos x.
E power x cos x. What is phi of x?
E power x tan x.
E power x tan x by w. What is w?
E power
E
2x.
power 2x.
E
E
power
power 2x.
2x.
See the numerator, we have e power x into e power x. What is e power x into e power x?
E power 2x.
E power
Okay.
E power 2x. E power 2x and e power 2x get cancelled. So therefore, what is b dash? We got cos x into tan x. Do you have a standard integral for cos x into tan x? Do you have
Cos x
standard
and cos
integral?
x and sin x.
Yes, ma'am. Log
Tan.
of secant x, ma'am. Tan x.
No, both I am
And tan
asking.
x.
Cos
No,
x
ma'am.
into
But
tan
you
x.
can just get sin x, ma'am,
Cos
from
x.
this.
Tan x can be written as sin x by
Sin x by cos x.
Sin x
cos
by
x and
cos
cos x cancel. Therefore, b dash is equal to sin x. Did you clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So if b dash is sin x, on integration, what is b become?
Minus
minus
cos
cos
x.
x.
minus
Cos x plus
K2.
k2. That is also very important. If you are not able to write constants, you are going to lose the marks. So after finding a and b, where we have to substitute?
Equation 1.
In equation 1. Equation 1 shows that it will give us the general solution y is equal to a into cos x. What is a? What we got a?
minus log
Minus.
secant x plus
Minus of log secant x plus tan x. Secant x
Yes.
plus tan x plus
Sin x.
sin x
sin x
plus
plus
k1 into what? Into
Cos x.
E to the power x cos
cos
x.
into cos x, that's it, plus sorry sin x plus k1 into cos x,
Ma'am,
right?
it
Plus
is e to the power x cos x, ma'am.
e power x is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, b into what is b? Minus cos x plus k2 into sin x into e power x sin x, is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now. So as I told you earlier that the general solution will be written as first we have to multiply the term with the constant. So write it as the first and second terms. So k1 into e power x cos x, right? Next minus, so not minus, plus only, here we have plus into plus plus k2 into what? E power x sin
Sin
x plus, sorry, minus, here we have minus, plus of, you write plus of minus log x minus log of secant x plus tan x into cos x into cos x. Next, already I did this one. So next, minus what?
Minus cos x.
Minus cos x into e power x sin x. If it is possible to take the term common, you take the common and simplify.